Hi, my name is Joshua and I came to Garuda Aerospace for doing my RPTO remote pilot license training. So basically we started from theory, so we learned the basic concepts of drone and every teachers were good, they taught us well, everyone were experienced teachers. So we learned the basics of drones, like how they work, all the basics, and we had a test, so we had to pass that. After that we went to the simulation. So in that we were taught the basic manuals, how to operate a drone, about the transmitter and all that basic manuals. So in that they had a test, so we had to pass it with a required amount of marks. So after that we went on real flying. So that we practiced like all the manuals what to do real time simulation. So it was a good experience in Garuda that we learned a lot, and also like the teachers were good.